Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix Veryfit app keeps loading problem. So guys, to fix this problem, what you should do, open the settings of your mobile phone first. Click next on apps option and search for Veryfit. Click on it like this. You will see this list of options. Scroll it down, click storage. Click clear cache right now and back. Click on force stop and click OK. Click at battery, make it on optimized mode as I'm doing, and then go to Play Store or App Store. You have to update your Veryfit app. After updating it, restart your phone. And if it still doesn't work and keeps loading, you have to uninstall the application Veryfit and install it again. And that's it. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.